These are the elevators at MediaMarkt. And looks like we've got some Schindler elevators here. This looks like Schindler D series, but I could be mistaken. Yeah, Schindler. Number changes before the indicator. It's just like a 330A, but a little different. And how it works, it's pretty much really similar. Alright, we'll go up one more time. Oh look, we can actually view out the top. I just need to stub my toe on the door. That was embarrassing. Anyway, sounds like some kind of alarm is going off. There's a robbery going on. Look. Where's the... oh, there it is. There's the hydraulic ram. Anyway, let's see this one come back up. It's not coming this way. Oh, here we go. Anyway, that